Convention Center, Angeles City, we wish you a blessed birthday and many years to celebrate. Happy birthday, Mom!
Happy birthday, Ma'am Emmy! Ayan, so enjoy your day. Stay pretty and sexy. Ayan, and thank you so much sa lahat ng mga support, lalo na sa ISDN family. Kung hindi dahil sa inyo siguro, hindi namin mabubuo yung pathway na to together with your team. And talagang sobrang blessed ang Angeles City na magkaroon ng mga international partners like UNICEF. So talagang isa ito sa iti-treasure namin at isusustain talaga namin ito. At pagtutulungan ng mga partners, offices, and agency para ito yung magiging remembrance namin sa inyo, no, doon sa mga programs na ibinigay nyo sa amin, ibinaba nyo sa amin. Thank you sa pagpili sa Angeles City na maging pilot ng mga project ng UNICEF. And sana and hopefully hindi nag-e-end doon yung mga project na ibibigay and itutulong nyo sa Angeles City, lalo na sa mga adolescent natin. At alam namin na isa lang ang purpose natin, bakit natin ginagawa yung mga project na to, na tulungan yung ating mga adolescent. And again, thank you so much. Sana magkita-kita pa tayo sa mga susunod na project ninyo. Love you!
Happy birthday, Ma'am Emmy. Thank you for everything, especially sa pagtulong po sa LGU ng Angeles City. Ang wish ko po sa'yo, long life and more healthier, and always check yourself and your family despite sa busy schedule mo. Looking forward po to work with you. Napaka-humble, genuine, and authentic po ninyo. Hopefully po marami pa po kayong matulungan na tao, especially us sa mga duty barrier po. Hopefully to see you soon, and we love you po from ISDN family. Thank you.
Hello, Ma'am. Happy 39th birthday. Wishing you more blessings in the year to come. Maraming salamat po sa tulong po ninyo sa ISDN Angeles City. Hopefully po in the future makatulong pa rin po kayo sa amin. Maraming salamat po and God bless.
Hello, Ma'am Emmy. Happy birthday. Thank you sa lahat ng support dito sa amin sa ACYDO and syempre sa ating mga youth dito sa Angeles City. Yun lang, and more birthday to come.
Hi! Happy birthday, Ma'am Emmy! And this is Jean Hawson of Mental Health Program, Coordinator of DepEd CDO. And I hope you remember me, but from the very bottom of my heart, I would like to greet you a very happy birthday. And what an amazing creation of God. The beauty that expresses positivity and optimism even in the midst of a busy husky day in public service. Andun pa rin, fresh na fresh yung smile, authentic yung smile. So wishing you a birthday that's as wonderful and as gorgeous as you are and as special as you are. Good luck po. God bless you and your loved ones, and give you good health, long life, and happy and abundant life always. It's not only today, but through the years to come. And thank you also, Sir Stephen, for the initiative and for the opportunity, for giving us the opportunity na makagreet sa'yo kahit malayo kami. So, once again, happy birthday and enjoy your day. God bless us all. Thank you.
I admire Miss Emmy for being so amazing and very smart. We learn so much from her because she shares so many things about youth and adolescents here in the Philippines. So I hope that she will continue her advocacy. So good luck to you, Miss Emmy, and see you around.
Hi, Ate Emmy. I just would like to say I am grateful for your presence and for trusting and guiding Cagayan Plus Incorporated in maximizing its influence to potentially deliver the HIV differentiated services to the community. May you continue to help and inspire other people to do something for the community. And you will always be blessed because you are a blessing to all of us. Happy birthday! Have a good one!
Hi, boss! Happy birthday! First of all, gusto ko pong magpasalamat sa iyo. Maraming salamat sa lahat ng tulong niyo sa akin. Maraming salamat sa support and guidance. I am very grateful na naging part po ako ng meaningful circle niyo. May God bless you and your family always. Stay healthy. I wish you all the best. And Merry Christmas!
Sige, go.
Hi, Miss Ems. Happy birthday. Hindi ko po sinasabi sa inyo, pero pareho tayong November. Birthday ko ng November 4. Hindi ko lang kasi sinabi kasi gusto ko lang na solohin yung celebration ng birthday ko. Anyway, una ko po kayong nakilala bilang Ate Emmy sa White or Ate Emmy ng White. Nung una, approachable naman kayo, pero nga kasi dahil may mga hator na nakaharang sa daanan, hindi ko kayo makausap, kaya medyo ilang ako ng mga first meetings natin kasi hindi ko alam basta hindi ko alam kung paano ko establish yung relationship nating dalawa. Pero, ayun lang, siguro, I'm making sure na I'm growing the line between, being your co-worker, and I guess, sa dami na ng tsaa at pagkain na pinagdaanan natin, pwede na siguro natin matawag yung isa't isa na friends, no? Ayun, I'm very thankful po for meeting you, kasi sobrang dami kong natutunan sa inyo, yung mga simpleng kwentuhan lang natin over coffee, sa biyahe, o kaya kung saan man tayo magkita o saan man tayo dali ng mga paa natin. Sobrang dami ko pong natutunan sa iyo, kay Kuya Rolly, kay Yuri, sa lahat ng family members mo, and very thankful din ako na sobrang welcome mo kami sa bahay nyo. As in, sobrang welcome. Kulang na lang. Pumera kaming lahat doon. Yun lang. I wish your peace of mind sa tindig na pinagdaanan nyo. You deserve well-rested birthday leave. Hindi ko alam kung maglilive ka nga talaga sa birthday mo, pero alam ko kasi nasa training ka next week. Ayun lang. Wala po ko ibang masasabi kung hindi maraming salamat.
Emmy is selfless. Emmy is self-assured, yung confidently beautiful with a heart, pero hindi mayabang. My fondest memory of Emmy is when we bonded nung may sakit si Jenny. Yun lang. Happy birthday, Emmy! I love you and I miss you.
Happy birthday, Emily, mula sa Jakarta. Pagpalain ka ng Panginoon at ang iyong mga plano pa sa buhay. Hindi ko makakalimutan yung pagsuporta mo sa akin sa Global Fund at na magkakilala tayo sa humanitarian work. So talagang napakabuti at napakataas na respeto ko sa iyo dahil tunay nga na we work together for common purpose for adolescent and for the future of our children. Okay, God bless and happy birthday, Emmy.
So you know how they say that in an organization you can categorize people into 3 types. Merong takers, merong givers, and merong matchers. So for me, Emmy would fall into the giver because she gives a lot of herself into the work and into the people around her, even at her expense. So I am very glad to have known Emmy and Rolly, Yuri, and all the friends and families. And I wanted to say happy birthday, Emmy, and yeah, I will just be here whenever you need anything, kayo ni Rolly and Yuri. Have a great day ahead.
Emmy is more than a colleague to me. She's really a very good friend, and we have worked together for many years. And even if we don't see each other very often, we have a bond that remains strong. And even if we have two different personalities, I think we have similar views and we find happiness in simple things. She's the kind of person who breathes life in every conversation and brings color in every mood, literally and figuratively. So I just love watching her being herself. And so, Emmy, I'm just excited to see what God has in store for you in the next chapter of your career, in your life. So I will just be here cheering for you and celebrating your wins, big or small. So, Emmy, no goodbyes, just happy birthday.
Hello.
Si Emmy, ano bang memorable sa kanya? Siguro yung kahiligan niya rin sa pagkain, katulad ko. Siguro yung kagabi, no, ulit-ulitin ko lang siguro yung facial expression na nakita ko sa kanya. Para lang sa context, no, background lang sa mga nanonood dito. Ano kasi, nagde-debriefing session kasi kami, yung team namin, yung training team. Ang seryoso may nagsasalita na taga-ISDN, na partner namin. Tapos, bigla na lang si Emmy gumanon. Nag-reaction pa ganyan. Ay, lechon! Parang kami lahat, shock na shock kami na nag-reaction ganun. Kasi ang seryoso ng usapan, bigla siyang, yung facial expression na, ay, lechon! Bakit may lechon? Parang yun lang, nakakatuwa yung ganun yung mga reactions kasi napaka-candid, no? Hindi siya nahihiyang mag-express ng kanyang sinasaloob, pero hindi yung tipong negative naman. Laging nakakatuwa or nakakainganyo na nakakahawa. Ang memorable din sa akin kay Emmy, yun ngayon sa Ihaw Balot kasi paulit-ulit niya talagang sinasabi, sinangag at yung pansit, no? Nagpapasalamat nga ako kay Emmy kasi sa kaka-promote niya dun sa Ihaw Balot. Marami na tuloy nakakaalam tungkol dun sa restaurant nga po namin. At punta po kayo kasi masarap talaga. Siguro last ko nilang sasabihin na memorable kay Emmy, pag pinaumpisa mo siya magsalita, maghanda ka lang na talagang may oras ka na makinig kasi talagang dire-diretso siya. Hindi po siya, yun yung po yung, siguro energy level niya kasi ako ay medyo tahimik na tao. So siguro yun, dun kami nagko-compliment, ako yung tagapakinig at siya yung dire-diretsong ganyan, no? Yun nga, pag nagkwento na yan, talaga sobrang expressive din. Yun yung siguro nakakatuwa rin kay Emmy nga na candid siya, very honest siya about things, pero at the same time, andun nga yung positivity rin niya, no, na everything will come to pass. Kung may problema man, everything will come to pass. Tapos, na kahit may challenges, malalagpasan natin to. Basta sama-sama tayo. So, yun lang. Siguro, mag-greet na ako siguro. Ano? Happy birthday, Emmy. Patuloy lang ang passion. Patuloy lang ang pakikipagkapwa. Dahil, dun ka talaga nakakatulong din sa tao eh. Kahit hindi mo alam, ang laki ng impact mo sa tao. So, happy birthday, Emmy, and have a great, hindi ko na alam kung pang ilang year niya sa mundong ito, pero I'm sure you'll have a great year ahead of you. So, yun.
A caring person for family and friends. That's what Emmy's for me. Happy birthday, sis Emmy. Take care.
kind-hearted, and very selfless sister. That is Sis Emmy to me. Happy birthday!
Hi, Sis Emmy! Happy birthday to you, and God bless you. More birthday to come, and I hope we can see each other again very soon. Okay? And thank you for being my ate na laging nandyan, nakikinig, and just one text or one message away. You're always there kahit masakit ang ulo mo. You're always ready to listen, and napakaganda ng puso mo, sis. Kaya nagpapasalamat ako sa life mo. I always thank God that I met you and being my ate in my life. Thank you so much, sis. I love you, and happy birthday. See you soon.
Hello, Emmy. Happy birthday. Know that you, Rolly and Yuri, are blessings to me. I just hope that you enjoy your special day. Next year will be a milestone, so I'm really looking forward to that. Happy birthday again, and take care of yourself, Rolly and Yuri. Hope to see you before Christmas. I love you very much. Bye!
Good morning! Hi, Emmy! Happy birthday! I wish na kung ano man ang mga nasa puso mo for you and your family, especially your family, matupad on your birthday. Emmy, gusto kong mag-thank you sa'yo kasi ever since napakabait mo sa akin. At lagi kong maalala yung kabaitan na yan. We will keep in touch, definitely. So enjoy your special day, and I will miss you. God bless. Bye.
Happy birthday, Ate Emmy. Si Emmy yung few women na kahit hindi na kami nagkikita madalas, nandun pa din yung connection, yung bond. Wishing you good health, no? Hindi ko natatanungin yung iyong maintenance na, no? Kanya-kanya na tayong maintenance, pero wishing you this year filled with exciting opportunities, new achievements, and beautiful moments. Again, happy birthday to you. You deserve this day, wonderful day, to enjoy with your family and friends. Again, stay safe. Regards kay Yuri and kay Kuya Rolly. Love you.
Okay, so hi. I'm Ate Sandy, and Em to me is like the adopted little sister. For as long as I can remember, she's always been around. She was a fantastic student leader. I met her way back in the early 2000s, and when she used to volunteer for the National Youth Commission back then, and I feel so privileged to have had the opportunity to be close to her, and still so very close to her up until now. So one of my fondest memories really of Em is that while planning our wedding in 2004, Em unfortunately was my taste tester all the time. So she would go around with me with doing wedding errands, and up until 1 in the morning wearing her son Carlos uniform, and she would actually complain because at that time I was always wanting to try out new food, and I would always make her finish all the food, and she complained that she was getting fat because of that. But anyway, that's just one of the many million good memories I have of Em. But what I will always hold close to my heart is how very, very special she is to me, and how I could never imagine my life without her.
Yes, I'm Kuya Creighton, and just like what Sandy says, Em is basically family to us. You know, she's been there since before we got married, when we got married, and up until now, she's been part of our family, and we love her very much. So Em, happy birthday! We love you.
We love you.
Happy birthday, Emmy!
And we're so grateful because God sent us a friend like you. Naging kasama ka sa trabaho namin dati, and then we are so happy because na-witness mo rin yung aming sunrise wedding. And thankful dahil naging professor din kita sa Masteral. So grateful also for sharing your expertise, your wisdom, your thoughts, and for being a true friend to us. Arlene?
Emmy was my former colleague. Nakilala ko siya during my NGO time. At that time, I was a participant back then. I never felt intimidated during that time kasi ang daming tao doon sa isang venue na yun on HIV/AIDS activity. And I was shy and a bit hesitant, but then Emmy was there. It was our first encounter back then, but then she really made me feel welcome and to be at ease, to be just relaxed. And Emmy was a colleague also during my UNICEF time. She never leave me. Pag nahihirapan ako when it comes to my deliverables, she is always there to support me. I never felt intimidated kahit si Emmy is really high level talaga yung energy niya, and yung she's really intelligent, and I never felt intimidated pag kasama ko siya. And I have a lot of fondest memory with her. Our food trips in Zamboanga, our palengke time in Zamboanga, buying kuratsa in our local market, and even going to Santa Cruz Island. She is a colleague, a friend. I never thought na we will reach this far friendship namin. So we will always be there for you, Emmy, and thank you for always supporting us, supporting me during my UNICEF time. Alam mo kung ano yung paghihirap namin, and I saw you working so hard for the project and for the people we are working with, and I'm so happy that everything turned into places. I know you have lots of struggles, but then you remain humble, and keep it up, Emmy, and I know you will reach places, and just be humble. Alam mo yun kung ano yun. So thank you so much. You're not just a friend, but also a family to us.
And
so,
we will
always remain your prayer warriors.
Otra vez,
Feliz cumpleaños, Emmy.
Okay na po, Direk. Okay na po. Charing, kunyari, interview, no? Hello po, ako po si Arman. Originally, no, from Zamboanga City, and currently staying in Mandaluyong. So, paano ko nga ba nakilala si Ate Emmy? So, konting History 101. So, way back 2014, nagkaroon ng ASRH training sa Zamboanga City. At ang trainer namin noon, ang facilitator namin noon ay si Ate Emmy at si Kuya Rolly, no, silang mag-asawa. Rationale, bakit nagkaroon ng training ng ASRH sa Zamboanga dahil 2013 nagkagera, at yun, isa ako sa mga nag-volunteer, no, kasi merong kasing NGO from Manila na nag-response at naghanap ng youth volunteer. So luckily, isa ako sa mga nag-volunteer noon. At jump to 2014, yun na nga yung training, doon ko nakilala si Ate Emmy. So, dun ko na-witness kung gaano kagaling si Ate Emmy, kung gaano ka-humble, kung gaano kasipag magtrabaho si Ate Emmy. Alam nyo bakit? Kasi one thing na alala ko, no, ay kasagsagan ng training noon, 1 week. So, si Ate Emmy, kailangan niyang bumalik ng Metro Manila kasi meron siyang parang personal na pipirmahan. So, after noon, bumalik siya ng Zamboanga para ituloy yung training, no? So, ayun, ganun siya ka-dedicated sa trabaho. So, at alam mo ba yon na on expenses niya yung pagbalik niya ng Manila at pagpunta ulit ng Zamboanga City. So, 'di ba? Ganun ka-dedicated si Ate Emmy. So yun na nga. So yun. Jump to 2016 nung nakapagtrabaho ako sa Metro Manila na na-relocate ako. So yun, kachat ko si Ate Emmy, yan, ganyan. So nanghingi ako sa kanya ng advice. Ayan, one thing ang isa sa pinaka hindi ko makakalimutan at ina-adapt ko pa rin siya until now, na sa tuwing lalabas ako, kapag may gagawin, hindi alam kung saan pupunta, always lang daw po ako magtanong sa mga security guard or sa mga police. Which is, ginagawa ko pa rin siya. Yun ang binibigay kong advice kapag andito yung mga friends ko from Mindanao. So yun, yung ina-advise ko na always magtanong sa security guard at sa police. Yun, para mas malinaw yung instruction. So yun, at naalala ko pa nung 2016, pinuntahan namin yung tita ni Ate Emmy sa Marikina, sinamahan ko siya. So Sunday noon, pag kinabukas, dumating ako ng parang Saturday, tapos Sunday, pinuntahan namin yung tita ni Ate Emmy. Yun, sa Marikina. At yun, hanggang sa every now and then, ka-chat ko pa din si Ate Emmy, kausap pa rin sa Messenger, sa Instagram. Always responsive si Ate Emmy. Kahit anong tanong mo, mapa-personal, mapa-advocacy, mapa-work related, hindi talaga makakalimutan ni Ate Emmy na mag-response. Particularly sa personal struggles mo. Always talaga andyan si Ate Emmy. Doon ko talaga na-appreciate si Ate Emmy na ituturing kanyang family. Hindi siya blood related, but yung relationship as a family, ituturing kang ganun. Kaya ang laking tulong sa akin na andito si Ate Emmy, kasi right now wala akong family na mapuntahan sa Metro Manila. At kapag merong akong mga concerns, meron akong mga tanong, always kong nilalapitan si Ate Emmy. At ganun siya ka-accommodating, at ganun sila ka-accommodating kasama si Kuya Rolly. At kasi recently, I experienced a challenge. At nung time na yon na tinext ko si Ate Emmy, or chinat ko si Ate Emmy na, ate, baka pwede kang kausapin, baka pwede mo akong pakinggan, ganyan. Hindi nag-atubala si Ate Emmy na papuntahin ako sa bahay. Yeah, sure. Welcome ka sa bahay anytime. Napunta ka lang. Yun, ganun siya ka-accommodating. Ganun sila ka-accommodating. Kaya thankful ako na andyan si Ate Emmy. Ang wish ko pala kay Ate Emmy is sana hindi maputol at tuloy-tuloy pa rin yung kanyang blessings natatanggap, yung kanyang opportunities na natatanggapin pa, para madami pa siyang batang matulungan, mga youth na matulungan. Kasi isa ako sa mga natulungan, na-touch na lives ni Ate Emmy, Isa ako sa nabigyan ng mga opportunity na si Ate Emmy. At nagpapasalamat ako sa kay Jesus at kay Lord, na nagkatagpo kami ni Ate Emmy, nagpapasalamat ako. So hindi ko siya kapatid by blood, but ate ko siya by heart, At yun, at isa sa mga hinahangaan ko din kay Ate Emmy ay ang galing niya sa advocacy, ang galing niya sa work, ang galing niya sa field work, At ayun, hanggang sa ayun, na-adapt ko kung paano magtrabaho sa Ate Emmy, paano makipag-deal sa mga tao, sa mga partners. Ganun siya kagaling, kasi na-adapt ko how the way she handles things. At ang isa sa mga wish ko ay baka trabaho siya, bilang directly, bilang line manager. Kasi alam ko madami akong matutunan sa kanya, madami akong ma-adapt sa kanya, madami akong makukuhang skills, madadevelop na skills, ma-adapt at ma-impart na knowledge from her to me. So yun, ganun ko wini-wish na makatrabaho si Ate Emmy. At ayun, nagpapasalamat ako na na-meet ko siya, nakilala ko siya, sila ni Kuya Rolly, ayun, hanggang sa nagka-baby sila, yun tuloy-tuloy pa rin yung fieldwork ni Ate Emmy. Ayun, kahit masakit ang ulo, masakit ang katawan, hindi mo makikita yung kay Ate Emmy. Ayun yung isa sa mga gusto ko talaga sa kanya. Ayun, at with that, would like to greet a happy birthday kay Ate Emmy, Thank you sa lahat ng naitulong, na-impart na knowledge, na share na advices, So, maraming salamat at hindi ko siya ma-measure kung paano ako nagpapasalamat kay Ate Emmy kasi isa siya sa mga blessings, isa siya sa mga blessings na binigay sa akin ni God dahil andyan siya to guide me, at nilook up ko siya bilang mentor. Ayun. Doon lang, maraming salamat at happy birthday Ate Emmy. And see you! Ayun, dito lang ako sa abroad. Charot, Eme lang. Nasa Mandaluyong pala ako. Thank you, ingat!
Hi Ems, hi Roll! Happy birthday to Emmy. Gikan diri sa Papua New Guinea. Si Kuya Peter nimo o si Ate Teng.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday sa imo. Ang among manumduman sa imo kay hilakon nga bata. Aw dili na maday bata. Mama naman day. Passionate kaayo, especially sa imong area of interest. Unya maayo pod nga manghod sa mga igsuon, maayo nga magulang. Loving anak sa nanay ug tatay. Di ba ma? Agree or disagree? I agree. Okay. Swerte kaayo imong bana kay nakaasawa sa imo ug ang imong baby. I hope masundan pa. Okay, happy birthday to you. Take care and may you have more years in your life and more life in your years. I will try to get greetings from your brother Tamborlings. All right? Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Ate Emmy! Happy birthday, Ate Emmy! Thank you!
Hi, Miss Emmy! Happy birthday! Ayun, I love you, I miss you, and I want to thank you for the friendship and for the love that you've given me all throughout these years ever since we met. And ang ganda lang kasi na-maintain talaga natin yung genuine friendship natin. And alam mo, kahit hindi tayo lagi nag-uusap, pero once na nagkatsikahan tayo, parang bumabalik sa dati. Parang di tayo, parang lagi tayo magkasama everyday. Parang ganun yung feeling. And I wish you nothing but the best. Sa totoo lang, you deserve all the best, Miss Emmy. Minsan nagugulat na lang ako na parang, bakit may ganitong tao? Bakit may ganito kabait na tao? Alam mo yun? Nakakagulat lang. Sa totoo lang. Ayun. I'll see you soon. Hindi ko na aabutan yung birthday mo because your birthday is the same day as my flight going back to New Zealand. But I'll make sure that magkikita tayo next year. Ayan, uuwi ulit ako next year. And ang dami nangyari sa bakasyon ko, nakakaloka, no? Pero it was all worth it. Daming lessons, daming ganap. I love you, happy birthday. I love Kuya Rolls, I love you, I love everybody. I'll see you soon. I love you, I love you, I love you.
Hi Emmy, happy birthday. First of all, I just want to say thank you for everything. Salamat sa lahat ng tulong mo, especially kapag nahihirapan ako. And of course, pag malungkot ako. And of course, pag wala akong mapuntahan, pag nasa Manila ako. And yeah, I feel so lucky because I'm one of your friends. And lucky because I know, like, if you treasure your friends, talagang you are genuinely loving and caring your friends kahit anong mangyari. So I wish you all the best, and sana magkaroon tayo ng proper birthday party celebration kapag nauwi ako sa Manila. So, looking forward to see you soon. And I love you so much. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Ate Emmy. I wish you all the love you deserve. Thank you so much for not being only an ate to me, but also for being such a great mentor. I believe my leadership style, the way I love people, the way I hate people, the way I see the world, you're one of the few who molded and developed my sense of empathy, my sense of kindness and generosity. And so I wish you a happy birthday, and I pray to the universe that whatever kindness you throw out there will go back to you, because you are such a loving person and you are so dedicated in whatever you do, may it be being a mother to a youth programmer. I super love you. Happy birthday, Ate Emmy. In case you're wondering where I am, I'm at the Grand Palace, and I am standing in front of the hotel where our ancestor Dr. Jose Rizal used to visit. And this is the Grand Palace. Happy birthday! Warm greetings from San Francisco, California. Happy birthday, Ate Ems! Hi, Ems. First of all, let me start by saying that I miss you so much. It has been a while. I haven't seen you for quite some time. Of course, life is different. I'm here in Cebu and you're there in Manila. But no amount of time away from each other or no distance could take away all the fun memories and all those struggles and things that we've experienced in Manila that I really value the most. You're one of the most brilliant, nicest, most bubbliest person I know. And in life we meet a lot of people come and go, but you're one of those people that I will keep forever. I just like to let you know that. And on your day, I just want to wish you to have a good, of course, stay healthy, good health, and continue to be happy with your family life and your career. And I hope I'll be able to see you soon, catch up, and spend time together. I miss you so much, Ems. I love you, and happy birthday.
Hi! Ate Emmy, for me, more than my sister, she is my inspiration, she is my role model, she is my cheerleader. There are so many things that I've learned from her. She's made so many positive impacts in my life. What I do now, it's because of how much inspiration I get from her. So, Ate Ems, today, we celebrate you. And they ask me, so who is Ate Ems for you? She is the personification of the word selflessness. With all the things that you've done and sacrificed for us, daghan kayong salamat, Ate Ems. Today, we celebrate you. We celebrate your birthday. We wish you all the best, good health, amazing life. There are so many milestones that we will share together, and I'm so thankful that throughout the years, we continue to enjoy and celebrate our wins together. Happy birthday, Ate Ems. So suksan one could. So di hap kapuna hap mak. I love you. Mwah.
Hi, Emmy. Happy 18th birthday. Not 18 char, but you know, seriously, I wish you all the best ngayong birthday mo. And kung anumang celebration yan, I'm pretty sure na pak yan. And I truly believe that you have everything that you wish for. You know, a loving husband, a beautiful kid, loving friends. And you know, ang dami kong fond memories with you, you know, with the Red Whistle, with Save Sexy, and our other projects. At yung mga biglaan nating parang, oy, nandyan ka. And you know, alam mo yung sinasabi ko, di ba? And those are really fun times. And I'm pretty sure that we'll have more fun times together. And yeah, so I wish you happiness. I wish you great health. I wish that you are filled with love and positivity. At maging at makamit mo lahat ng hinihingi mo sa iyong birthday. Ayun. So happy birthday, Emmy, and see you very soon.
One of the few best people I've met in my lifetime, and also the advocacy. Napakaswerte ko to have met you and interact with you and really connect with you in terms na, well, I can't really explain. We've been really comfortable since we've met. And I know that there were times na parang hi, hello lang, but I'm really happy na finally we've been working together and really somehow reconnecting that friendship that we had. I'm so thankful that I'm not just an ate, but even though magkaedad tayo, but I call you te, but it's just a very good endearment for us. It really connect and drive along. Also with me in working with you, napakaswerte ko to have learned a lot of things. And my only wish for you is, of course, for you to continue with your work, your love for the advocacy, your love for people, and ano lang, yung mga pinagdaanan mo, it's always part of it. Hindi naman yun binigay sa'yo kung hindi siya worth it. And I mean that I'm also wishing you na kung saan yung tatahakin mo, you will definitely kick it off. You're as always, you're really a badass, and we love you. I love you as a friend, and of course, you're a mentor for me, and ano pa ba? And a lot more. So thank you so much. I wish you a very, very happiest birthday, and whatever the plan is, the journey will continue, and andito lang naman kami. Maraming salamat for being a good friend through the years. Thank you, and happy birthday to Emmy.
Happy birthday, Ems. So, ang memories na ma-remember na ako sa atua is kaon lang yun ta. Kay morang po atong trip gyud, ipot ta nagainom. Ug ang ato ang pag Korean syempre. So happy birthday sa atong duha. So ang isa sa ko wish for you is unta madato na tanan, always healthy, ug syempre mapayat na ta. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Ate Emmy. On your special day, I want to remind you how much you mean to me and to those who are around you. Your kindness, your strength, and your warm touch the heart of everybody, and they are lucky to have you as their ate and also my ate. May this year or may this birthday you have bring the endless moments of the joy, growth, and love for you and for your family. Here's to celebrating for today and always. Wishing you a fulfilled and happiness of your heart. At magkikita tayo soon kasama ni Yuri, kasama ni Kuya. Mahal na mahal kita. Saranghe. I love you, ate.
Whoa! Okay, hi Ems! Happy birthday! So si Emmy is how am I going to describe Emmy ba? Si Emmy for me is Miss Congeniality. Friend ng lahat. As in ano to, yeah, parang hindi ko ma-imagine na may kaaway si Emmy. Yeah, tapos description kay Emmy, one word is, ano nga yung battery na yun that keeps going and going? Anong brand doon?
Everready?
Hindi, yung mas mabagsik sa Everready, yung isa sa, basta yung battery na yun na mas high-end. Kasi si Emmy is so super bubbly. Hindi na uubusan ng, parang yung energy niya, hindi na uubos. So, para talaga siyang, it keeps going and going and going. Memory kay Emmy, yun ang mahirap actually, kasi super dami ng memories namin with Emmy. Parang hirap mag-identify ng particular na ano. Yeah, super dami to choose. Anyway, so, happy birthday, Ems. May you have more happy birthdays to come, and super enjoy life as you've always been enjoying life. Tweetums lang. Bye-bye, happy birthday.
Kailangan may magtatanong. Hello. Hi.
Gabi ng lagim.
Ito, may bagong delivery ng Data Blades. Anong tanong?
Sino si Emmy for you?
Si Emmy. Yan ang kabudol ko yan. So, kapag may mga delivery from Lazada, hindi ako may sa Shopee. Ang nagbudol sa akin ng Shopee si Emmy. Tapos, sa Lora din, hindi niya alam siya yung nabudol ng sa Lora. Yan. Ano yung susunod na tanong?
One word that describes her.
Kasi si Emmy. Ano yan? Yan ang pinaka...
One word?
Ay! Anong kabaliktaran ng anti-social?
Ultra-sociable.
Ultra-sociable. Ayan. Ultra-sociable na tao yan. Parang kapag kasama ko yan sa office, kailangan mag-allocate ka ng mga 30 minutes. Kapag sinabi niyang, tara na, uwi na tayo. Siguro lahat na makasalubong namin sa building, kailangan kausapin. Kilala si Emmy. So, ultra-sociable. So, hindi katulad ko na anti-social. So, sige. Ano susunod na tanong?
Memorable memory.
Memorable memory. Ano ba? Memorable memory. Ang earliest eh. Ang isa sa mga early memorable memories nung sa UNFPA, sila yung pumunta sa Olongapo kasi si program coordinator ako sa Olongapo. Tapos yung mga youth leaders natin from Olongapo. Ayan, si Emmy yung may pasimuno. Ano pa?
Greeting na.
Greetings na! Ayan, sige. Hello! Happy birthday sa aking
Mystery shopper.
Mystery shopper. Cooker. Co-science project coordinator. So, nakailang beses kami ulit ng leche flan. Hindi pa namin ma-perfect. Yun. So, ang hindi ko makakalimutan is one time na naubusan siya ng gulay, sa akin siya humingi ng gulay.
Really lang.
Yes. So, yun, happy birthday! And sa susunod na birthday celebration, sa Japan ang ating kagawin.
Siguro ako yung hindi ko makakalimutan sa mag-birthday natin ngayon. Yung overflowing care and love niya to other people. And I'm so grateful na naging part ako doon or naging recipient or beneficiary ako doon. Hindi lang bilang partner sa advocacy, pero yung tinuring niya ako bilang kaibigan, bilang kapatid. At masasabi ko na sa friendship namin, meron na kaming napatunayan. I mean, meron kaming pinagdaanan na nalampasan namin. And maraming salamat kasi nalampasan namin siya together. Kaya napaka-meaningful at napaka-importante nung mag-birthday natin ngayon sa buhay ko. What I pray for her is good health, inner peace, unshakable inner peace, abundance from above, at saka syempre financial provisions, and yung exciting journey na sa mga susunod na years. Yun yung prayer ko para sa taong ito kasi deserve niya yung all the blessings in the world. And I'm so sure hindi siya papabayaan ng Diyos. And nire-redirect siya ng taas, ng harving natin kung saan path siya kailangan at kung saan siya mag-bloom at saka mag-grow. Dahil deserve ng tao to, ganun siya kabuti, ganun siya ka-loving, ganun siya ka-caring. Kaya happy birthday Ate Emmy, kahit na ilang weeks lang naman yung tanda mo sa akin, pero i-consider pa rin kitang ate, mentor, inspiration sa buhay ko. Maraming salamat dahil nakilala kita. Maraming salamat kay Papa at kay Mama kasi tinanganak nila ang isang Emmy Ray. sa buhay na ito at nagkaroon ako ng pagkakataon na makilala ka. So, wish you all the best, all the blessings in the world sa mga susunod mong years. And I hope na I will celebrate your birthdays in the next years together. So, happy birthday, Ate Emmy.
Hello! Happy birthday, Emmy! First of all, magpasalamat ako sa UMS kasi malaki ang tulong nyo na ginagawa sa adolescent program sa Department of Health, lalo na during my time. Kasi alam nyo naman na I am from infectious, then my background is also for the older person, but I'm handling adolescent program which is very critical, no? So maraming salamat talaga. And during the time also that was the time that I'm also handling my only son. Dito po nalalaman kung paano talaga makipag-usap sa ating mga kabataan. Maraming salamat dahil until now, according to some doctors, mga municipal health officers nga nami-meet ko, nagagamit pa talaga nila ang ating mga ginagawa. Like yung video, yung mga IEC materials, yung mga booklets na ginagawa ninyo, yung result ng ating research, at saka lahat-lahat na pinaghihirapan ng grupo ng young people. And besides that, I'm very happy to inform you also na until now, yung mga tinitrain natin na mga kabataan noon sa ROTC, if you remember, we were the first group na nagkakandak po National Congress. It's a very big activity na kung hindi dahil sa inyo, hindi talagang magiging possible, no? So maraming salamat. Dahil sa iyo rin, nakakuha ako ng idea kung paano makipag-usap sa mga young people, at saka nagiging mabait ako sa mga young people, lalo na sa aking anak. Kasi kung hindi dahil ako nag-study or pinagtuunan ko rin ang mga young people, siguro hindi siguro kami magkaintindihan ni Anakis, no? Okay, medyo mataas na. Ang dami kong sasabihin sana, kaso lang medyo nakakahiya naman kung marami akong kung lahat na lang isasabihin ko, secret lang, mga secret na. Thank you very much. I love you, I miss you. Regards to young people na ating binubuo, ang ating mga kaibigan, at saka kay Rolly, at saka kay Yuri, may apo. Salamat sa lahat. Thank you very much and happy birthday. I love you.
Mommy Emmy is my mommy. She's the best mommy ever. She's like Wonder Woman. And happy birthday, Mommy. And happy birthday for all the wishes, the best wishes ever. Love you.
And happy birthday! Surprise! I hope that you're happy with our surprise, and I wish you more birthdays to come. Siyempre, you've been so genuine, you've been so generous to everybody, and I hope na today we get to spoil you for what you've done and for your contribution to humanity in general. We love you so much. Always remember that Yuri and me will always be here for you. Love you.
I never thought through love would be make you want as lovely as she. Isn't she lovely? Made from love. Isn't she she prays.